Hey, welcome to shorturl.ad. In this video, we'll learn how you can connect your own custom domain with shorturl.ad in just a few simple steps. First, open any web browser and buy a domain from a trusted platform such as Hostinger, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other domain registrar. Once you've purchased your domain, head over to the DNS settings. For better security and a strong global connection, I highly recommend using Cloudflare. Now go to your DNS settings and delete any existing A record. Now go to Cloudflare and log in to your account. If you're new, create a free account first. After logging in, click on Add a Site to onboard your domain. Now add your domain name and click Continue. Now select the Cloudflare free plan. Cloudflare will automatically scan your DNS records. Once done, click on Continue to Activation. Now replace your domain's name servers with the name servers provided by Cloudflare. To do this, go back to your domain registrar, open the name server settings, click on Change Name Servers, and replace the current name servers with the Cloudflare name servers. Now wait for at least 10 minutes while Cloudflare completes the domain connection process. As you can see, the domain has been successfully added and is now active on Cloudflare. Next, navigate to the DNS settings section inside Cloudflare. Next, visit shorturl.ad and log in to your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on the Branded Domain section. Here, enter your custom domain name in the Domain field. Select Custom Redirect as the domain type. In the Domain Route field, enter the page where you want users to be redirected when they open the root domain. In the Domain 404 field, enter your custom 404 page URL. If you want, you can also leave the domain root and domain 404 fields empty. Once everything is filled correctly, click on Add Domain. Next, copy the CNAME record provided, that is connect.shorturl.ad. Next, paste the copied CNAME record into the target field. Next, we need to create one more CNAME record. Click on Add Record, choose CNAME, set the name as @ and paste connect.short-url.ad in the target field. Now go to the SSL/TLS settings in Cloudflare. Click on Overview, then click on Configure, and make sure the SSL mode is set to full. Next, go to Edge Certificates and enable Always Use HTTPS. After that, go to Origin Server, click on Create Certificate, and then click Create. That's it! Everything is now set up correctly, and your custom domain is fully ready to use. Finally, to test everything, head back to the shorturl.ad dashboard and create a new short link using your connected custom domain. As you can see, your custom domain short link is now active and ready to use. Thank you. Please visit shorturl.ad, one platform for short links and QR codes.